Every business owner's worst nightmare. You're getting leads, but they're just vanishing into thin air. This is exactly what happened to Jake. He set up his GHL funnel, expecting a flood of leads, but nothing came through. It was like the leads just disappeared. So what went wrong? Jake thought his form was working, but he never double-checked his funnel integration. The form was live, but the leads were lost. But don't worry, I knew exactly how to solve it. The culprit? A simple mistake in funnel settings. His form wasn't linked to the right CRM. All it took was linking the form to the right pipeline. Once that was done, bam! Leads were pouring in like never before. Lesson learned. Always check your integrations before launching. Otherwise, your leads will be lost in the void, never to be seen again. So always double-check your CRM integrations and make sure your leads aren't just vanishing. With GHL, you'll never miss another opportunity again.